today we're going to be doing the inferential statistics, which is the actual t-tests and ANOVAs, things like that, that will answer our hypotheses. So first I'm going to open up the project that we saved last time, or the first time. I put it on my desktop. It was statistics in R. And then if you look in the typo file, I want to open the R project. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new RMD. So this white little sheet up here, it has a little drop-down menu. I'm going to do an R Markdown document. That's what RMD stands for, R Markdown. And it doesn't matter what I put right there because I'm going to change that in a second. Okay, and then I'll delete everything that is in there right now. The second thing I'm going to do is open a new browser window. And I'm going to go to github.com, github.com, /AMD, lowercase e, capital L, O-U-I-Z-E, A-M Deloise, /statistics dash workshops. From here you can go to our workshops and then statistics in our inferentials. And we are just going to copy and paste this entire document into our R Markdown file. You can change the name right here to your own name if you'd like, and then go ahead and save that. I'll title it Inferentials. Okay, and then also real quick to get us set up, I'm going to go ahead and run this code to load the packages. If you don't have any of these on your library, then remember the code to install a package is install .packages and then the name of the package in parentheses. So it would be that, for example, except for you would have to spell install correctly. And you could run that to install it. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is read in the data. This is the same script from last time. You want to make sure that the name in here matches the name of the data set in the folder that we created. Oops. So I will run this. It's going to add a data object up here. Here, let me go ahead and clear it so that way when I run this, you can see, okay, it adds a data set up here with observations and variables. Okay, and then here is some formatting code that we worked with last time. Notice that when something only has characters, if you want to make it numeric, you should switch it to a factor first. So you assign numbers to the different character variables, and then you can change those factor numbers to a numeric variable. Okay, so I'll run that code as well. And then the last thing we want to do to get set up is review and grab our hypotheses that we came up with in the descriptive section. So I'm going to go to the descriptives document. Mine was already open, but if yours isn't open, then you can just go to open an existing file and find it and open it that way. We are going to go to the hypothesis section, and I'm actually just going to copy and paste this entire thing and paste over the hypotheses we have here. Okay, looks good. Now all of the hypotheses too are put in here. I also put spaces for all of the hypotheses right before the test that we ran to remind ourselves of what we're checking. So I'm going to also grab the hypotheses 2 that we came up with and paste them under the different tests that we're going to run later. Correlation, here's the t-test one. You can do this as you go too if you prefer. I just want to get it out of the way. Chi-squared one. And then one-way ANOVA. Okay, now we're ready to do the inferential statistics.